Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations. We're back on the frog eye because that's what we're doing, the frog eye. You would have seen us last week do the filler work on the front end. We're going to be going into some more filler work later, more car shaping than filler work, because that was just showing you how to filler. Then we're going to show you how to properly shape a car, which is different. But today we're going to be doing underbody protection whilst we've got the convenience of the spit, which is very convenient because, man, look how convenient the underneath of the car is. So yeah, we're nearly there. We've done some sealering. We've got a little bit more to do to show you. We've done all the scotching and stuff. So nothing much more to say other than to
get cracking.
Get cracking. Let's get cracking. Do a little bit of sealer. Start with a little bit of sealer.
Yeah.
And go from there. Right. Sealer.
Cool.
You can buy a sealer brush, which is short.
Yes.
Or you can just put some tape on a general normal brush. I used to cut all these off and it was a royal pain in the arse. But I just discovered that you can just tape them up and you get short hairbrush instantly like that. Handy hence, because a sealer brush ain't cheap. Sealer, I just use any old PU sealer, Underseal PU sealer from Pro XL. This can come from Independent Paint Supplies, very good people, sponsors of the rest of this season. Yeah, so just normal sealer, just apply it generously over whatever you want to seal. I tend not to do some of it too neat because they didn't bother doing it too neat in the factory. So I always find that messy sealer looks more factory than tidy sealer. That is extra messy there though. I'm going to put some around the seatbelt anchor point. Top. And then with your brush, just around nicely like this. Look at that, Mo.
That looks really proper.
Well, proper like. Apart from all the stringy bits. Like I said, when they did this at the factory, they didn't give a rat's, so it looks super factory when you don't give a rat's.
Yeah.
Well, at least that's what I learned when I was doing escorts anyway. Degrees of time. Well, that was hard work, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
It was. But we're all done, masked and sealed and scotched,
Yes.
ready to rock for the MIPA Protector. So let's go and check that stuff out. MIPA Protector is what we're going to be using. This stuff is colour tintable. It's a great kit. You get 4 of these and you get 4 of these. So it's a hardened stone chip stuff which you add your preferred colour to. Oh, man, I'm so clumsy. Anyway, that's fine.
What are you like?
Anyway, so we're going to pour some of this into there. I've always found out the best way to get the most out of these is to actually just cut the bottoms off and scoop it all out into one pot. So we'll be doing a bit of that. Again, this is all sponsored by Independent Paint Supplies in Swansea, so be sure to go and check them out. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah, so should we crack on, Mo? Get this mixed up. Let me deal with this. Oh. Anyway, so it's 150 ml approximately of paint to tint it.
Easier said than done.
Actually, it's not too bad. Just do it from a height. So the first bit we're going to be doing is we're going to be sorting out all these smaller joins. So what we'll be doing is, I haven't tested this yet, have I? There we go. Spray it on quite generously. Should definitely be using a mask. And brush it in. This will almost give you what looks like a factory brushed seam everywhere. And then when you've done this around the whole car, give it another go over with the Raptor and it'll virtually blend it all in and it'll look lovely. Yeah. All of those seams will be gone.
Yeah,
okay.
Look good.
So what we're going to do is I'm going to spray and you're going to brush.
Nice.
Put the needle on the record.